What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tyler Cheese. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm about to do a unboxing. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So one thing that I'm about to start doing this fall, this winter, is wearing head wraps. Silk press season, yeah, we putting that on the back burner, you feel what I'm saying? So we're gonna be doing protective styles, mini twists, mini braids, wearing head wraps to protect the head and everything like that. So I wanted to find some good fabric. I heard of this website. It's called Fabric Wholesale Direct. I went ahead and ordered from them. I got like 6. Yeah, so we just gonna do an unboxing right here. Where my keys at? Hold on, I'm finna go get my keys. Ooh. All right. There we go. Okay, so I've never ordered from this website before, but we're finna see what they fabric talking about. Okay, so I got all jersey knit stretch fabric. I got charcoal, I got magenta, navy, pink, tan, and olive. So let's see. I got 1 yard of each. Oh, this feels really nice. Oh yes, hold on, let me see if I could do something real quick. So this is the charcoal. Damn. Okay, fuck, this is 1 yard. Shit, this is a this could really be a dress. Okay, so I got 1 yard of charcoal. I just want to see if I have everything. I got the navy. This is the navy. Oh, that navy is pretty. Pink. I'm guessing this is the pink. Magenta. Olive, and then I got tan. I'm fucking with it. I'm fucking with it. So I'm finna see if I could do a little hair wrap piece with what I got. I like that this is nice and stretchy material. I don't feel like this is 1 yard. I might have to cut this some more because this is a lot of fabric, but I can work with it, so I fuck with that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut this. Or at least just learn how to tie it, because this is a lot of fabric. But I love the material. It's really nice. It feels really, really good. And I'm definitely fucking with it, y'all. So yeah, stay tuned for my head wrap tutorials. I cannot wait to do those for y'all. I really cannot wait. I love my fabric. My fabric feels really, really good. The jersey knit material, I'm absolutely fucking with it. And yeah, y'all, so I approve. I actually have another shipment on the way of some more fall colors. I got orange, yellow, and just a whole bunch of colors that I can't remember. Y'all will see that unboxing. But yeah, fabric wholesale directs. I'm really fucking with that shit. Yeah, so go to fabrichwholesaledirect.com if you need some fabric for head wraps or just fabric period, if that's your hobby. You know, you like making clothes and knitting shit together and all that. So yeah, y'all, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Cheese. Make sure you follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is Kyla Cheese 98. Is this that man texting me? Hold on, let me see. Oh, shit. Anyway, yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.